Jan here from healthfulpursuit.com. As many of you know from my Butcher Box unboxing video that we did a couple of weeks ago, Kevin and I are down in the States for a little while, and I have been loving ordering all of my favorites. In fact, I've been promoting Thrive Market for the last year, and I haven't personally been able to use it. All of the members of the Healthful Pursuit team have been using it and loving Thrive Market, but I haven't been able to. So I ordered my very first Thrive box, and I'm going to show you what's inside. If you're curious about how much we paid for each item, I'm going to include the Thrive Market prices here and then the Amazon prices over here, so you can see the difference and see if it's worthwhile. So let's dig in. Dogs. Recycling. That's great. Oh, first treat is for our 3 furry babies who are currently eating bones behind us. And these are 100% beef gullet. So, yeah. Keto Cups. If you don't know what Keto Cups are, I don't know what planet you live on, but it's chocolate, coconut butter. This one is the original. They also have mint and coffee. They might have other flavors, but those are the ones that I've tried. Cassava chips, made with sunflower oil, sesame seeds, nutritional yeast, and sea salt. Not totally awesome that they're sunflower oil, but I would say that it's better than grapeseed oil. Okay. This stuff is awesome if you live in an RV or you travel or you just don't have a lot of room in your fridge or you don't like buying cauliflower all the time. It's braised cauliflower that's dehydrated, and all you got to do is add it to a pan with chicken broth, bone broth, chicken, beef, whatever you want, and it makes cauliflower rice. And the only ingredient in here is cauliflower. Okay, we got Miracle Rice, 2 packets. It cooks really, really well. Usually what I'll do is I'll strain it, rinse it out a little bit, and then use it like you would rice. It's good stuff. It's delicious stuff. You should try it. What else? There's something in here. Very good with the packaging. This is pretty cool. And I like that I can recycle everything. Cedarwood essential oil. I have an essential oil diffuser that we use in the RV all the time to keep the air clean and awesome. So this will be great. Last but certainly not least, olive oil. Can't go wrong. Delicious. We'll finish it off real quick. So there we have it. I didn't have to go to Whole Foods. I didn't have to go out shopping. I just pressed click, 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 order. Done. So again, I'll include the prices in the side of the entire order too, so you can see the difference and see if it would be worthwhile for you. And if you decide to use Thrive Market, we have a super awesome offer down below for anyone that's watching here today. They have partnered up with the podcast for the last year, and I would love to share that offer with you guys if you decide that it would work for you guys. So I hope you have a wonderful rest of your week, and I'll see you next week. Bye!